As we wrap up the year, I want to take a moment to say thank you to all of our amazing guests, loyal listeners, and everyone who supported us on social media. Your encouragement, shares, and feedback have meant the world to us. Although we just launched the Path We Take podcast on July 21st of this year, we've already reached listeners in over 8 countries, in 85 cities worldwide. That's an incredible milestone, one we couldn't have achieved without your love and support. To close out the year, let's watch one final episode, the Lunch Party Special, where friends and family came to celebrate and show their support. From the bottom of my heart, Herbie and I, we want to say thank you once again. We'll see you for season 2. And trust me, it's only getting better from here. Onale, the path we take, all things Haiti, positive for every Haitian around the world. Thank you. Bonne année.
Pendant que l'année arrive dans fin là, nous arrivons dans fin 2025 là, nous parlons pour 2026 là. Moi je voulais prendre un petit moment pour me dire nous toutes qui t'ai participé dans show un gros remerciement pour vous et pour tout le monde qui t'est dans des show. Nous remercions tout le monde qui regarde show dans YouTube, dans social media, tout côté que nous t'es là geli. Nous disons un gros coquin chaîne merci pour support ça, encouragement que ou ba nous c'est lui qui la cause de que show The Path We Take nous toujours a fonctionné normalement. C'est à cause de vous-même, nous remercions en pile. Tout encouragement avec tout support que vous ba nous, aidez-nous en pile. Et nous demandons pour continuer ba nous encouragement ça yo, pour continuer ba nous support ça yo dans tout sens que vous capable. Malgré show ça, c'est un show que nous t'ai commencé 21 juillet 2025 là. Et nous faisons un pile progrès. Nous avons dans 8 différents pays, 85 différents cités. Show c'est un show qui a grandi, qui est dans pile pays, en pile côté que nous attendait. Côté qu'on ait une communauté haïtienne là, nous voulons pour nous attaquer tout le monde ça pour ouais qui sorte de bel travail que haïtien fait dans tous côtés. Nous là pour nous partager bagages positifs seulement des haïtiens ensemble avec haïtiens. C'est mission pas nous en ça. Bon, comme nous connaissons que ça année arrivé dans fin là, nous gagnons dernier épisode ça que nous n'a plagué pour saison ça c'est première saison que nous a fermé là. Moi dis ou pour prendre ça pour chita pour garder dernier finalement ça parce que puis devant nous pral commencer saison 2 et nous avons paquet pi bel épisode qui va sortir toujours. Nous mando pour continuer ba nous support, nous apprécier ça en pile. Mes amis, The Path We Take, Jeffrey and the co-host LB, the Haitian Explorer, nous disons merci pour tout ça ou fait pour nous, pour si pouvoir continuer à garder. Nous pas kembe ça trop long, on nous garder final épisode là, season 1, The Path We Take. Merci.
But it was the path we take was not the name. So it kind of changed throughout the years. And recently I started with a different one. We started shooting a different title than the path we take, pretty much what we stayed with. Okay. So we already shot season 1. So this is a bonus episode for season 1. And today is support. So thank you everyone for coming. I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah.
Next.
Thank you guys for coming. We truly appreciate this. My guy here started the podcast and he reached out to me to be the first guest. I was amazed. I wanted to be part of it, and right on the spot, I was like, "Give me a job, hire me, and let me be part of this." And so this is how I came to be part of this, and I'm happy to be here. And the path we take resonate with me because we start young and we have all these dreams and things that we want to be, we want to accomplish. And next thing you know, you're 40 and you're 50 and you haven't done any of it.
I'm not 50 yet.
Well, I'm just, I'm just saying. And you haven't done any of it. And so for me, part of that was traveling, right? I always wanted to travel. And I turned 40 a couple years ago.
Damn.
Yeah. He's the Kevin Hart. Okay. All right. And so I started traveling more and more and more. And as I traveled, I started this content creation thing, and I've been doing traveling content all over Africa. And my plan is to visit all 54 countries in Africa. And I have a long way to go. I've only got 4, so I've got 50 more to go.
Mm.
And why I do this is because I am trying to connect Haitians to the motherland. And so to do that, it's expensive, but
Yes.
the plan is to do all 54. So pray for me.
All right, so we are gonna, open the floor for anyone who wants to, because it's support. So whatever business you have and whatever you want to talk about, by all means, we want to hear from you.
Yeah.
Because this is what it's about. To
We have a
support each
lot
other.
of entrepreneurs here, I'm sure. I can see a few.
Yep.
Right? So you guys come on. You guys are supporting us. We want to support you. Please come on. Who's going to be the first guest
Yes.
to come on and talk about what they got going?
I'm gonna start calling
He's
you out
looking
if
at
you
me.
don't
I
come.
think he wants to come on.
You know
Amanda, what do you say?
Come on.
Come on, Amanda.
Bingo.
All right.
All right.
Can you hear us?
I can hear you guys.
All right.
Yeah.
Clap for Amanda, everybody.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
All right.
I'm so glad she came because she's been doing a lot. So, and one of the things we have in common, we both in corporate America,
Yep.
and it's not easy to be in corporate America being who we are, because you have to work 3 times as hard.
Mhm.
So, but I'm gonna let her kick it off. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, no, that corporate America talk, I'm sure everyone feels it, especially these times with
Mhm.
everything's happening within the administration.
Mm-hmm.
Conversations like DE and I have been under attack. So I think a lot of folks within the corporate environment has felt that a little bit. We also have this wave of like layoffs and new technology that's
Mm.
potentially replacing roles because of AI innovation. So it is very difficult to navigate this this environment, and it's really important. I like what you guys talked about, this concept of support. I think now more than ever we need to support each other, and that means
Absolutely.
supporting each other's growth. That means supporting each other in their endeavors, right? That's why I'm excited to be here.
Okay.
Yes.
You didn't really tell us what you do. What is it that
Oh,
Amanda do?
Oh my goodness.
We told you in the hot seat, so come
Oh
on.
goodness. Well, Amanda does a lot. So
And that's because you're Haitian. Haitians, we have like how many jobs?
right. Yeah, I
We
was
do.
groomed to have like 5 jobs. Right.
That's not like if you tell a Haitian 2 jobs is too much, they'll hit you with the oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Bills do not go out of business, okay? So remember that.
Exactly. Plus, we got to send money over to Haiti, right? Like,
Absolutely.
yeah. No. So I've been in financial services for like 20 plus years now, and my area of expertise is fintech. So I am in, fintech is financial technology. So that is all, the financial institutions, how we move money, right? How we store it. And recently I was impacted by the layoffs last year. Last year, I actually had to make a decision from taking a package because they decided to dismantle my group.
Mm.
So I had the option to take a package or to minimize my role, meaning I had to go down in level. And I didn't want to do that. I was putting a lot of time within my organization, bringing a very large network. I was doing quite a few speaking engagements and bringing some exposure for the organization. So I was a little bit, my ego kind of spoke up and was like, hey, you know what? I'll take the package and figure out what I'm going to do next on my own. So that's what I did. So I took a few months. I hung out with my kids. It was during the summer.
Okay.
And then September, I decided to start my own advisory organization.
Okay.
And
nice.
around that time, I actually was asked to be part of a board.
Right.
And the organization focuses on financial literacy and inclusion.
Mm.
The organization is called National Alliance for Financial Literacy and Inclusion. So,
Right.
meaning financial inclusion is how do we empower people to leverage different products within the financial institution, right? Making sure that it is inclusive to all, right?
Yeah.
Meaning folks that may be potentially undocumented, right? To be able
Correct.
to open a banking account or to be able to move money. Like, we have cool things with WhatsApp. WhatsApp, you could move money in
Oh, yeah.
different parts of different regions. Yes. And so I decided to be part of the board, but also build my advisory firm, which focuses on that. So I've been acquiring quite a few clients that's asked me to help them on their exposure around some of these concepts. So most of my clients are non-for-profits, but they leverage my network to, create content
Yep.
around these concepts. And that's what I've been doing. It's called AG Advisors.
Okay.
Yeah. And so that's what I've been doing for a year, and I've been doing pretty well. I didn't realize if I leaped into entrepreneurship that, I'd have a little backing, and it's been going pretty well so far.
Okay. So leaving your job was a blessing. It was a good thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's always that way. Don't you see that? It's always like when you get laid off or something,
Well,
and it's like the last straw to start whatever it is that you wanted to do.
yeah, you're right. I think it's a very scary thing. Like, to be laid off, I think there's an aspect of emotions that you go through because you're like, dang, was I really that bad of an employee? Like, what could I have done to prevent this? You're also thinking about all the credentials that you brought to
Yep.
the organization. There's a lot of emotions that happen. And sometimes you're in this fight or flight, like, okay, I need to quickly find a job. But especially I was burnt out around that time. So I'm like, oh my goodness, like you guys were asking for a lot. So I like the time that I had to reflect and be like, what do I want exactly? And that's what happened.
So yeah, Irby has a similar story
Oh yeah.
about how you got laid off
Yeah.
and where you what brought you
Right,
to
right.
where you are right now.
So I do web maintenance, right? I manage websites for companies, and I was doing it for a train company, but the train company it's in Paris, okay, but they have headquarters here in New York City, which where I was working at, and COVID happened, 2020, got laid off because nobody's traveling,
Mhm.
right? And so at the time for them, I was managing like 30 different websites for them, right? I got laid off, and of course, I went in the market looking for jobs. I could not find a job, and I did find one interview, right? And I went to the interview, and they had just one website for me to manage. I'm used to managing 30 and 40, right? So I'm overqualified. So I'm thinking, that's my job. I got this in the bag, right? And no, I didn't get the job. So they passed on. I don't know why. And that was kind of like the last straw for me. So I started my own, web maintenance business, and that's what I've been doing since then.
Yeah. Yeah. There we go. There we go.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to bet on yourself, right?
Exactly.
Like, I love that you said, hey, you know what?
Yeah.
It didn't happen.
Yeah.
You dust it off and you're like, you know what? Let me go out there and do my own thing. That's
Absolutely.
really important.
That's pretty much why I started this podcast, and I tried a couple of collaborations. It didn't work out, so I was like, you know what? I will try to do everything myself, which cost a lot of money, a bit of
did.
burnout.
Right.
So, and I decided, you know what? If I'm going to do it, I'm not going to let anything hold me back. I'm going to get what I need to get, invest in myself, because if you don't do it for yourself, no one else will.
Yeah.
And especially in our community, there's so many things I want to incorporate and talk about this podcast, into this podcast, especially financial literacy, generational trauma. There's a lot of things we in the
Absolutely.
Haitian community
Yeah.
we trying to stay away from, and I'm so glad I got a couple people that I'm going to collaborate with, and I can't wait because it has to do with the things that we don't talk about, mental health. We need to focus on that. We need to talk about that. You know, obviously we both of us love to travel.
Yeah.
We love to eat. And
What Haitian man doesn't?
that's right. That's right.
Absolutely.
That's right. So all of that will be on the podcast, and I can't wait for you guys to see season 2. We just started shooting season 2, and we did this Haitian restaurant in
Right.
Rhode Island. Oh my God.
Oh.
The poisson was great.
Yeah. It was good. It was really good
It was
food.
really good. Shout out to Classy Cuisine in Rhode Island. So they hooked us up.
Yeah.
And we shot the episode in their restaurant, and it was great. So thank you so much. And I don't want to keep you longer, Mandy.
Amanda,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you
you.
for having me.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yes.
All right. Who is the next victim up in here?
Who's up next?
He said, I'm next, boss.
He wants to come
Put me in,
on.
coach.
Come on.
Put me in.
Hello. Wow.
Everybody, this is Gabe.
This is a hot seat. Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So Gabe, he got a little guitar.
Yeah.
So I'll give you a little bit of backstory. We both used to live in Taylor Street.
Okay.
It's the Taylor Street gang.
Yeah.
So, I used to see him play his guitar on Taylor Street, and when we were young, he used to kind of cook for us.
Yeah.
You know, the spaghetti. And I used to fight with my brothers. I used to fight with my brothers because like and they eat the gratin, man. I love gratin. So and everywhere Haitian restaurant I go, I ask for gratin. And the classic cuisine, they know me at the Monsieur Gratin.
You know, it's funny you say that. They sell that now. Because
Yeah.
I was watching online, like
Yeah.
they're selling it at the store now. You could go
Yes.
and get gratin from the store.
Yes.
It's crazy.
That's good.
I just tell them to put a little sauce on it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
good. Eat it. But anyway, so Gabe,
Sure.
come on.
Come on, Gabe. Tell the people about you.
Well, I go by Gabe Jazzo. I'm Gabriel Mondesir. I started playing jazz at the age of 13 and started from Stanford High School. And
Stanford, yeah. The Stanford gang, okay.
Okay.
So I started to study jazz,
Okay.
and one thing that caught my attention this afternoon when you guys talk about support, it's I think our community we need to support one another.
Yeah.
And I feel like through music and culture, we can bring that Haitian culture to to our other communities as well, and
Okay.
make it. I feel like we have so many great things we can offer to the world.
Oh yeah, we have a lot of talent in our community, but it's finding a way to let others know about that talent. Is just and others are scared of collaborating.
Right.
But L'Union fait la force. It's stand for something.
Mhm.
When we unite, that's how you become successful in whatever you're doing. But anyway, I could go on. Let's keep it positive.
So okay, you've been playing for a long time.
Yeah.
Yes, so
Okay.
yeah.
What do you plan to do with this? Like what's the master plan here?
So my master plan is I have my bachelor in jazz music, and then life goes on. You create a family, and you're
Yeah.
like, well, I don't want to travel around the world. I like to raise my children with my wife. So she advised me, like, honey, why don't you go to healthcare administration? You love to write, you love to research. So I got my master's in healthcare, but the back of my mind is that I want to build my music and do, because I feel so much happiness playing music. It feels like I'm when I play, it's coming from the soul.
Okay.
When I work, I need to earn a living to support my
Support.
family. But if I can do the music and support my family, I feel it's gonna be much better.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So do you make your own music or do you play other people's music? You do covers or like what's the what do you do?
For now, I do a lot of covers,
You do-
but I
okay.
do have my personal music that I need to get into the studio to record.
AKA he's got a catalog. That,
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like hold on. Do we get to hear something? Like is it no? Too much? Is that too much?
Probably another
Maybe
opportunity.
another time. Okay.
Another time.
Okay, another time.
We'll have him come back and he can
Sure,
play.
sure.
Okay.
Because we don't want to, make him feel
On the spot.
On the spot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But okay. Well, tell us, how do we find you? How do we find Gabe on the internet?
I'm on YouTube. I go by Gabe Jazzo. So I play
Everybody look up what is
Gabe Jazzo.
Jazzo.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have. Okay.
Okay.
So you got fans already. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh man.
He's got fans. I got no fans.
Yeah.
We got no fans. This is our podcast. Where's our fans?
I wish we had fans. It's too hot in here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So I think I use social media as one of a good medium platform to collaborate with other people. And then probably later on, it's good you do website. Maybe you could help me with a website.
There you go. Hey,
There we go.
see,
Of
that's
course.
how we get it started.
Absolutely.
And he also built my website because I do films.
hmm
So I was looking to do a website, and that's how we kind of like really got connected again. When he
Okay.
first started his company, I was like, all right, build my website, which we talked about it. I think it's in the first or second episode. We talked about that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yes.
It's good, man. I have people in Kenya who works for me.
Mhm.
Wow.
I have
Great.
guys in Bangladesh who works for me. I can't afford anybody in the U.S. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Okay, Gabe,
All right.
you got
Appreciate it.
anything else, my brother?
Yeah.
I like to say thank you
Yeah.
for inviting me, and I wish you guys success. on your
Absolutely.
you.
endeavor.
Thank you. Thank
All
you,
right.
Gabe,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Check
Yeah.
out Gabe on, what is it, on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks.
Up next, who do we have? Who else is coming up next?
Oh, someone's been voluntold.
Anybody, somebody, come
All right,
on.
Bree.
Oh, here we go.
Come on, Bree.
We have Bree in the house. And by the way, before we leave here, I'm gonna need everybody to, take out your phone, and we're gonna all follow each other or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is, ooh, I can hear myself.
You're supposed to.
Welcome,
Good.
Bree.
Well,
Hi.
all right, so before Bree start talking, Bree was the one who made this happen. She lives here, and I was looking for a spot because balling on a budget, and someone had a friend of mine reach out to Bree, and we've known each other like 24 hours. Yeah, so it looks like
much.
we've known each other for a while.
Oh,
So-
okay.
Yeah.
We
All
shout
right.
out to Bree for doing this for us.
Absolutely. Thank
Shout
you,
out.
Bree.
Ah, you're welcome. Thank
All
you
right.
for having me.
Yeah. Thank you for being here. So I know you got a couple of things that you working on. I'm not sure if you want to talk about it yet or if you want to wait until.
No, I'm happy to talk about it. I wear so many hats. So
Okay.
as you know, I'm
You
Bree.
Haitian, duh.
I know we're very hardworking
Yeah.
women. It's in
Yes.
our blood. It's in our culture.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I am a licensed therapist.
Okay.
I'm also a fitness trainer for women who look like me, shaped like me,
Mm.
because we don't have a lot of representation in society, for us.
Mhm.
I'm also a mom. And I also work as a team manager with a celebrity fitness trainer, Jerry Joseph, in Brooklyn. So I do
Mhm.
a lot of traveling
Okay.
and clients as well. And I am launching my podcast, Speak on It.
That's cool. Come
Speak
on.
on it.
Let's
Okay.
go.
And so it honestly is a space for unfiltered conversations that delves into like your true authenticity and what does that look like.
Yeah.
And carrying so many hats, it's a space for women to also come and listen and see and feel empowered. And what does that look like? Balancing motherhood, being a working woman, whether you're a mom or you're not, or going into entrepreneurship. So not only am I bringing in my own personal experiences, but I will have guests as well
Okay.
from all different walks of life.
Have me on. You gonna have me
Oh,
on?
I'm gonna definitely have
Yes,
you
please
guys
put me
on.
on.
Yes, whether you're influencer, celebrity, or just a regular woman, you are more than welcome because I want to show
Oh, you have men as well.
men also,
Okay.
and men because
Alright.
it's
We'll
also
make sure.
it's also important to hear from both sides.
Okay.
I think it is because we men tends to hold it in.
We get no love. No love.
Now
But
you don't get no love.
that's another
You gotta-
podcast. That's another podcast.
yeah.
It's not this one.
It's not this one.
You gotta be
It's
open to
different.
love.
That's another. See, he agrees with me. You see him? Say, yeah, we get no love.
Yes. And so it's also not only are we having real conversations, but I will also be bringing in like my clinical skills too.
Mhm.
And what does that look like in the mental health field? And I really enjoyed, Amanda, your story, as well as Gabe's, and how do we culture and support mental health is so huge,
Yeah.
especially in our culture, the Haitian culture. It's just please.
Yeah.
Oui, bon Dieu.
L'école, l'église, la caille.
Yes, pray it away, or oof, you don't want, you're crazy. But no, it's more than that. It's a space where you can feel safe and have someone just listen.
Yeah.
And literally they're just to guide you through whatever your emotions that you're going through.
because we sometimes don't even have the language. Our parents didn't have the language. You know, our culture is rooted in trauma.
Right.
Generational
So it's
trauma.
generational. So there's a lot that we also have to unlearn.
Yeah.
But we don't. The older people, we don't believe in that though. It's almost like
Yeah,
I'll try from Koto Dormi or something.
Yeah,
Exactly.
You know,
go
like,
somewhere.
go
Go
to
find
sleep or
somewhere and
something.
go to sleep.
yeah. Go to
Sleep it off.
Sleep it
Problem,
off.
problem move again.
Yeah, you ain't have
You
no
ain't got no
problem.
problem.
Yeah.
You ain't got no problem.
Yeah.
Problem.
My prière pour, okay?
Yeah.
And
Wow.
but surprisingly enough, I'm finding now that those who've raised us are beginning to be a little bit more open to mental health
Good.
and asking questions. Well, what does this look like? I don't understand. So it's a lot of education and being receptive to it. So I'm excited about this collaboration, what's to come.
I'm excited for you, and I can't wait for it.
I can't.
And we especially I said mental health, and I want to put that on my podcast,
Mhm.
and for me to kind of see how she does it, and I'm gonna steal some stuff from
I
acquire.
promise not to be. I won't be your therapist.
Okay, good.
I won't be in anyone's therapist. No free therapy here.
Okay, good.
I'll give you some skills and some tools.
I just take a couple of drinks and I'm yeah. All right.
All right. Thank
Bree,
you.
thank you very much for
Thank
coming
you.
in.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely. Follow Bree right now, y'all.
All right.
Yes.
We'll take a break. All right, we'll take a break. We have no sponsors, so this break is free.
Actually, no. No, we no.
We ain't making money on this break.
But I'll give a shout out. I will give a shout out to Jean's Cuisine.
Oh
in
yeah,
Bridgeport,
jeans.
because they the one who provided
Yeah,
this food
jeans
for
gave
us.
us some food.
Yes.
We do have sponsors.
What
Look
you
at that.
talking
Look
about?
at us.
See this guy? I have to keep him in line.
We do have sponsors. Okay.
And he picked up the food.
I did pick up the food.
And he ate the food.
I'm sorry, Gene.
Yeah,
we love Gene. Free food.
yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
We are back.
We are back.
We're back. We're back.
Back better than ever, like a Cadillac with the white wall. We good.
All right. We have some new people in the building.
We got some new people, and we got some new guests that's coming on.
Absolutely.
Once again, this is the support bonus episode for season 1.
The path we take, people.
Yes, and we appreciate everyone for coming in while they're getting some food. And I'm still hungry, but I guess I'll start it off. So we about to pop somebody's cherry on the
Okay.
mic who's never been on the mic.
All right.
His last name is Cherry.
His name is Cherry?
Yeah,
Wow.
gonna
Okay.
pop that cherry.
Right on, brother.
Let's go, brother.
I want to say thank you for inviting me.
¿Qué salva?
And Jeff, Jeff, you look good, man.
Oh, thank you. You
Look
look good
sharp.
too.
I'm trying to be like you, man.
I'm trying to follow you.
Jeff was trying to get me to wear a suit.
It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna
I'm
happen.
like, yo, we can't have two people wearing suits.
I
at the
know,
show.
man.
This is crazy.
Listen, I might ask for a job in here too because I start liking this. Come with Jeff, man.
I'm so glad I didn't put the vest in because I'm like,
Okay, so why is that? Même c'est bon que me caméra, man.
All right, so
Thank you for inviting me.
All right.
How long do I have though?
how long do you have?
I don't know. Yeah, let me.
How much did you pay? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Nah, we all about the support. Whatever
course.
you want to talk about, you know what I mean?
Well, let me start off. My name is Carl Cherry.
Okay, really, Sherry.
Oui, moi, les chéris.
Chéri doudou.
Oui, maintenant, on pose. Ouais, bah, comme ça. Maman parle en même temps des bails, ça. Enfin, mes problèmes, oui. So, well, and again, you guys are doing an amazing job. I like this.
Oh,
This is
thank
my
you.
first time, and I kind of like it. I hope I got invited again.
Oh, you will.
Absolutely.
Again. So,
Yeah.
let's talk about. I'm gonna talk about the path that we take.
Yeah.
It's very important to me because growing up, I was born in Haiti.
Mhm.
Came here when I was 14 years old, and I felt that the path that I take had a lot of influence when it comes to my family,
Mhm.
because you toujours dit generational curse, how to break it. I felt that if we start by really really embrace the path that we take, we can stop that.
Yeah.
Vous comprenez? We get back out there because what your family is going through, or what your siblings going through.
Yep.
I'm gonna give you a quick story. I remember let me give you how I start my path. I remember, and I'm growing up. and Brooklyn, Brooklyn. Shout out to
Brooklyn,
Brooklyn. Shout out to
Okay.
Queens. And hoe kon ik? Waar toujours besoin pour doctor, nurse, this is
l'église la
l'église like that, So my parents, my family wanted me to be a nurse, and even my lovely woman over there, she thought that she was gonna marry a nurse, Oh, I gotta be a nurse.
Surprise.
But surprise, that's a different path. That's my path. You know how it happened though? Listen, my father got pulled over, right? And he was coming home from work. I'm gonna tell you a quick story. And this is how my path started.
Mhm.
He got pulled over, and it was like 5 or 6 officers surrounding him, guns in hand. What's going on there? I'm usually calling him. He's like, Dad, what time you coming home? He said, I'm on my way home waiting for him so we could go to the park. And I felt some type of way. When I look outside, I heard the ambulance. I heard sirens. So what's going on? It was my father.
Wow.
They was surrounded by cops that said he committed a crime that he didn't even know about.
Wow.
Because it was, again, a black man driving a white car to say he fit the description. So, and I'm here as a 14-year-old watching, all these officers with my father. I'm like, what did he do? Because we Haitian, I said, it's like a sudden fact.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? So that really left a mark on me. I was like, damn, do I really want to be a nurse? Do I really want to be a doctor?
Mm.
I want to join the force.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
And I did that.
There you go.
I started working for the NYPD for 8 years,
Okay.
and I decided I want to be a cop because I want to join them.
There you go.
Now,
Okay.
thank you for clapping, but I didn't just stop there.
Right.
And when I started dating, I met this lovely woman that's sitting over there, and she was
Twice he said that.
Twice.
Exactly. And she's like, I don't want you to be a cop on the street. You're gonna be, doing a lot of. I'm like, you know what? Let me do a different path.
Okay.
So guess what I did?
You became a doctor.
No, I didn't.
No?
Okay. So I decided to work in a school district.
Oh.
So now I was, a school safety officer, mentoring children. I was working with the gang unit, with the Bloods, with the Crips,
Wow.
with all the gang unit, and I become a mentor to them. I started, helping them, why school is important, why you should stay in school, instead of me being an officer arresting you or telling you. So that I fell in love with it, and I did it for years. I felt that was my path instead of being a doctor, being in the hospital. So that was a path for me. So I
Okay.
felt like I was helping my Haitian culture also, because working in a school district, you just make sure you stay there. So when they found out there was someone as myself as a Haitian they could relate to,
Right.
so you them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parents will come to the school and say, Officer Cherry, I appreciate you because my son listened, my daughter listened. Because of you, she had a straight path to the school. So I felt
Nice.
proud of that. So this is a very important topic.
I like it. I like it.
You see, everything we talked about,
Mhm.
we all representation matter.
Amen.
It matters because if you could see someone you can relate to, don't matter if you know that person personally, but if you can see something that can influence you to be good, a lot of you know that growing up, there's odd.
Oh, baton.
Yo,
Yeah.
I was people.
Yeah,
were
he's
saying,
got a lot of brothers, right?
I have a lot of brothers.
And I know him.
a lot of
And
brothers.
out of all the brothers, I thought he'd be the one locked up.
Oh,
Yes. And surprise.
So that's you're doing good, brother.
Stop
doing good.
clapping.
Yeah.
Keep going.
All right. So my time is up, not yet, right? So
No,
I'm
but
gonna keep going.
I just want to tell you this.
Mm-hmm.
I definitely understand where you're coming from by trying to take that path. Literally, I got my master's in criminal justice, not because I wanted to go into law enforcement, because I wanted the knowledge.
Yeah.
I used my bachelor's more being in the film industry more than anything else, but having that knowledge, the basic knowledge. And ever since I was in the military, they always say, learn the basics of whatever you're doing. You don't have to know everything,
Right.
but just the high level, the basics, and you'll be good. But everything else to go all granular into the nitty gritties, it could come later on.
Right.
And I love that, the fact that you wanted to make sure that, you know what, representation matters.
Exactly.
And I want to go do it. And not just for me, but for everyone in my community, because they will need the knowledge that I'm giving them.
Of course.
And this is what this podcast is about.
Of course.
And once again, it's about highlighting a lot of things that us Haitians trying to, we can't do, but we don't have a way of putting it out there. Too many negative, I'm about to cuss, shit in the news.
Yeah.
Right.
So true.
But we trying to highlight
So true.
the good part, whether, because right now they think the whole Haiti is bad, but it's just Port-au-Prince.
No, they just don't want you to go.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? But
They don't
there's
want
people
you-
out there. They just don't.
They
want you
don't
to
want
go.
me to go.
Yeah. You know, they tell you it's bad, but if it's so bad, why you?
Because they know I'm going to eat too much.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm going to be fighting with some Latin because I'm going to eat the street food.
Yeah, I like it. And just to continue, I'm gonna be. I don't want to be too long. You know, I don't want to take over your show.
Yeah.
So because I have, like I said, like you were saying earlier, I have a long path too. I have a long way. I have so much. I could write a book. Okay, now there you go. And it didn't stop there. So after working for the NYPD and working for the school district for a long time, I said, you know what? I want to do something different. How can I, advance myself to create a new path where I can be more helpful to my community, to my Haitian people? Because what happened to my father, I want to never happen to me. Not just to me, to also my friends, to also my siblings, my family.
Yeah.
But I say if I'm in the force, that way I can give them the knowledge they need to avoid something like that.
Yeah.
And as I say, no, I need to find something different because I've done enough. Yeah. Done enough.
Nah, you ain't done enough. You still got coming.
So now
you still got more.
now I was able to reside in Connecticut. I was doing that in New York.
Okay.
My lovely woman here, she's
3 times.
Number 3.
3 times. She's residing in
Lovely
Connecticut.
woman.
So I said, now I'm transitioning to a different state. How can I be
Shelby.
not even Shelby? How can I contribute to the state of Connecticut?
Yeah.
Right.
Because New York, we're going to New York deja. I'm already in New York. So I said, no, I want to do something in the state of Connecticut where it's important.
Yeah.
And I decided to become I'm a court marshal now.
Oh, okay.
So I've contributed myself to be a court marshal, and
Right on.
And unfortunately, I'm blessed enough to be able to contribute and what's the word you said? Support.
Support.
Right.
So now my contribution, if you guys are looking for me, come to Stanford Courthouse. I'll be here. Monday pour chéri.
Stanford Courthouse.
Stanford Courthouse.
So wait, Sherry. If I get locked up,
You'll see. But you
you got me. You got me.
Non, ma pas avant. Pas de prison là.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So now, and I can contribute to once you step in the courtroom, when they say we need a Haitian, premier when you listen, man,
Shelly, come.
Sherry, one of your people are here.
One of your people.
I said, what does that mean? One of my people is here. But just to say, I'm glad that I was able to transition to that, to be a court martial. Now I'm able to help my community once they get into a situation that they don't understand. Even it's struggling for them to understand the language of English.
Yeah.
Right.
Parce que quand pile là qui parle créole, il pas fin fort en anglais.
No.
So now, I'm here to say, soit fait là.
Okay.
Because in our
Quoi fait
culture,
la Tibambe?
in our
Exactly.
culture is it's like
We
a
straightforward.
disgrace. It's
Yeah.
a disgrace for you
It
to get
is.
her locked up. Like,
Yes.
vous faites trop vagabond.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Ça veut dire que blanc mettez mes sous.
From
It's a wrap.
experience.
So so I'm glad I'm able to, and the funny thing is a lot of you guys are sitting here, even my brother Mitch over there, when they walk in, they're say, oh, God, I passé longtemps.
You notice? You notice?
Mitch, why are you at the courthouse?
Yeah, exactly. Soit fait là.
What are you doing at the court?
What did
Soit
you do?
fait là. L'aime pas, ils sont haïtiens, ils saisi.
Oh, God,
Oh, God, I passé mon travail. On connaît businessman.
But yeah, thank you so much
That's
for what you
great,
did, man.
Jerry,
That
man.
is good.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Guys.
There you have it. Anybody
Yes.
who gets locked up,
Yes,
Yes.
just come see me. Just ask me that
Come
come
see
on,
question.
Jerry.
All right,
Right.
I'm in the courthouse and stuff.
Jerry, thank you very much.
All right,
brother.
thank you guys for inviting me.
Tell the people how to find you, man. How do we find you?
Just go to
Courthouse.
Stanford Courthouse. But you can, my social page is basically based on my family, so I'm not,
Okay, what's social
I'm
family?
low key. I'm low key.
low-key,
I'm
low-key,
low key.
low-key.
Pas dire mon business, mais parce
All right.
que pas le déporter.
I got you.
Well, guys, it was a pleasure. All right.
Thank you, Jerry, guys. Thank you.
They still over there giving him that from the courthouse.
The courthouse, man. He's a good contact, by the way. This guy's a good contact. I need your number.
I know. Why? You plan on getting locked up soon?
You never know.
Oh, man. I'm scared.
Salva.
All right, so
Mitch.
we're about to switch it up a little bit. I have another person that I want to bring up. She didn't want to come up, but she's coming. Because she is coming. You and Estavern.
Yeah.
My cousin. Come on, Gladys.
Gladys.
When I tap you, that means I'm ready to go.
When she
when
tapped
I
it, she
give you a
grabbed
boom boom.
boom, boom, boom. I'm ready to go there. Oh.
Oh, this is nice. How do I look on here? Let me see. All right.
Where Fontaine Dedla? I have to do it. 'Cause you're my cousin. I love you. But yo,
So
let me tell you a little something about Gladys. She's always supporting me,
Yeah.
especially when I thought I was a rapper. She went to
Oh,
Jersey
damn.
to watch me perform in Jersey.
I remember
rap?
that. I remember
Yes.
that. Yeah.
When I did,
Yeah.
when I thought I was a
So hold
rapper,
on, Gladys. Was it good? Don't look at him. Was it good?
I
Don't
can't say I
look at him.
I
Just tell
can't
us.
say I remember the song, but
So
I
it was
remember the
bad.
vibe.
It
It
was
was
bad.
it was a
So it
vibe.
was
It was
bad.
nice. We had a good time. We had
If
a
you
good
don't
time.
remember the song, it was bad.
I don't. This was years ago.
it's
Okay,
been over
years.
15
Jeffrey's
years.
been grinding
I
for
thought I was a
years
rapper
and
too, by
years.
the way.
So
It's not just you.
yeah.
I'm a Haitian, so I've done a lot of jobs. Come
yes,
on.
like us all.
Speaking of a lot of jobs,
Oh
literally,
God.
Gladys, you probably going on 24 hours right
I
now?
probably had about 4 hours of sleep in the
Wow.
last day.
In the last day.
Or
She
and a
took a
half.
test. Well, go ahead. Go ahead. Why
So
am I
Gladys,
telling your
tell us
story?
about you. What do you do?
Yeah.
What should we know?
I mean, I'm just a regular girl. I'm a LPN.
Tell
I've
people what
been-
LPN means.
Oh, licensed practical nurse.
Big
I've
up for
been at-
LPNs. We love
Yeah.
LPNs. We
We
need
love them.
LPNs.
Notice, medical, Haitian.
Oh, always.
You know?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I have to give it to my mom. She basically forced me to go into nursing school. I didn't have a choice, but it was a good choice, and I appreciate her for pushing me and supporting me to go.
Okay.
So,
Twice she pushed you and gave you birth to you. Now she pushed
Yep.
you.
Yep. Yes, she did. She held me down through nursing school.
You
and
know?
I give it to her.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I remember when I first came here on Taylor Street,
What year was this?
none of your business.
Yeah, we need to. What year was this?
No, we had some times.
What
we
year
had some
was this?
times.
1995.
Exactly. Okay.
Just
95.
because,
Okay.
you know, this, I know where he going.
It's 2 years. It's 2 years before I came. 97.
Yeah, he came in 97. I came in
yeah.
95. But
So when I got here, I got no English. Okay. And this guy want to talk English to me.
what?
But go ahead. That's a different story.
That's a different story.
That's a different show.
Yeah. So Gladys used to come on Taylor Street Gang,
Yep.
and
we called it Little Haiti back
Little
then.
Haiti, because
Yep.
there were so many Haitians on Taylor Street.
Yes.
19 and 25, nothing but Haitians.
Yep.
The whole building, but one Hispanic family
Yeah.
we had.
I remember.
Yeah. So her, Amanda, Junior, Greg's was there too. He's in Florida now. What is Greg? Never mind. Another story.
That's another story.
So our family is pretty big, and she's always supporting me, whatever I'm doing. So she was like, I haven't gotten any sleep, but I will be there.
Yeah, I'm coming off
that's
of like
cool.
a.
Yes.
We like that.
yeah.
Thank you.
So
Yeah,
that's why I'm
absolutely.
always wanting to support whatever she got going on. You know, like when COVID, you were selling masks.
Yeah,
Not
Okay.
about the
I
mask.
did a little entrepreneur.
I-
I'm not an entrepreneur girly. You know,
Okay.
I tried it out. I liked it, but I like what I do. I like.
Okay.
At
being
least
a
you tried
nurse.
it.
Yeah.
I tried it in the COVID time. I was selling like nursing supplies. It was fun. For me,
Okay.
it was a fun hobby. I made some money. I made my own little stimulus
There you
Okay.
go.
around that
Okay.
time. All right, I gotta say that.
Yeah.
But it got
You didn't
a
have
little.
to wait like the rest of us. Okay.
No, they
right.
didn't. I only got about one check, so I was like, I gotta make my check. So it was nice. It was fun.
Okay.
But it got overwhelming because raising kids and working in the height of COVID and sending out packages and customer service. I was like, wait a minute, it's not. I don't know if it's really for me. I mean, I like to be of service to my community. I like being a nurse. And
Oh, so no wonder my package was late.
I can't.
Oh my! So now the backstory is coming. I was waiting forever for those masks.
It was fun, but I don't know. I'm pursuing furthering my degree in nursing and just raising my kids, and I'm happy doing that.
Aw.
So
But my partner does have a gym that he just opened, 48 Union Street, Boxing and Fitness.
48
Everybody's
Union
invited
Street.
for a free trial. Bring
Yes.
the
Come
kids.
get some workout.
Yes.
Come on and get a workout. Bring the kids.
Alpha exercice.
All ages. We do boxing classes, fitness, circuit, all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
I'll leave that to him. I like to go to work, clock in, do my
Your
thing,
husband got to
clock
sponsor us. We need money.
out. Well, next time we're gonna talk. Wait a minute, we're gonna talk.
Put it on her like that. But anyway, y'all, the website, thepathwetakepodcast.com, you could donate, you could sponsor us. We're looking for sponsor, y'all.
Nous besoin l'argent.
We
Forget
need
the
money.
whole sponsor. Nous besoin l'argent. That's it.
See, we did all of this by ourselves.
Yes.
That's tough.
Oh, I'm gonna let him finish clapping. God, continue. Thank you. So imagine if we had some support behind us. How
Absolutely.
we can definitely, how far we can go. Because as you can see, we always setting up in different locations. I live in Rhode Island. He always go and visit me. And my basement is pretty small, but I still set up there. We film probably like at least 5 episodes in one day just to get it out the way. Or I'll come down here at the Hilton and, thank God for my job. I get, some good deals. I'm not going to book you a room. Don't ask me. So we go and record it there. So it's for, and imagine if we get to support y'all and we could do a lot more.
And I just want to say, I love this whole setup. And I just love that our generation of Haitian people are coming together like the last generation didn't.
Yes.
No shade to the last generation, but I
Hey.
feel like we would have been so further if we stick together like other cultures do. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's my
Okay.
personal opinion.
I'm gonna give you a little example.
We should have been owning the bodegas and the
That's
restaurants
right.
from decades ago.
Yeah,
We should have been
you have-
having all these establishments.
Yeah.
It's because we need this. Like,
Yeah.
we need to come together, support each other. Even when you were asking, looking for a sponsor for the food, and I gave you someone, and you was like, nah, I need Haitian food. You was like, no, it gotta be Haitian-owned business. And, it's not to be separated, but we have to, like, continue this and
Correct.
lift each other up and for the next generation to come in forward, because
Yeah.
like you said, we'll get into that more, the
will.
generational trauma and all the other stuff, but
Yeah,
this is a
because-
nice start. This is a light
Absolutely.
we're gonna get into it.
Jen's Cuisine literally texted me this morning and she was like, shout out to Warrior, they're about to open a diner, and she's like, I want you to do the commercial and I want to work with you, I want to hire you. Then she saw the video that I did for Jen's Cuisine. She was like, you know what? The food will be ready at 2. Come get it.
Okay.
Nice. That's what we need,
Yeah.
more of that.
So
That
thank
is
you.
what we need.
Yes. So y'all got to eat some good Haitian food.
Yes, it was
And
good.
people donated the alcohol too. So the anonymous ones.
Wait, you got donations alcohol? I had to pay for mine. What is going on here?
Hey,
Hold on. Miss, I had to buy mine to come here.
I guess you don't have the silver.
I ain't got no. I need some connections. Okay.
Well,
Stick
again,
with me. Stick with me. Let's go.
I just want to
This is
say
it. Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
guys.
Thank you, Gladys.
Thank you so much.
I really
Yeah.
appreciate
Give it up for
that.
Gladys, y'all. All right, so we're about to close it out, y'all. So
We got one more. Who's up next? We got one more.
one more. We got about 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
We can squeeze 7 minutes.
We could squeeze
Who's
5
who's
minutes.
up? Who's up next? 7 minutes. Anything you want to talk about? Anybody got a business, a product, or anything at all?
Yeah.
Social media.
Yeah.
Big Mitch.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Come on, Mitch. Come on, Mitch.
Come on, Mitch.
Come on, Mitch. Come on, Mitch. I'm not gonna.
Gouye Plogue all day long. This is Mr. Gouye Plogue over here, y'all.
Yep. Don't do it. Come on, Mitch. All right, y'all. So we're gonna keep it short. And
We
but
got 7 minutes,
but
Mitch.
we have 5 actually.
We got
got
So
two.
we okay. So we had to squeeze him in. This is the reason why we had to squeeze him, and this is the second time.
Mitch is a regular.
Is a regular, and he got a great song that came out. Shout out to Jay DeLise.
Jay DeLise.
Yes.
Jay
I'm sure you guys know some of this, right?
Yeah.
Gouye Plogue. Okay.
All right, come on, let's go, bitch.
It's your man Mish. It's Team Blast Promotions. Couple.
Hold on, I got check. It's
It's Mitch. It's
Nah, hey,
Come on,
keep the
man.
body. Oh, food. Once again, it's Mish Team Blast Promotions, Cowboys Entertainment. We just released a song, of course, with Haitian R&B artist Jay Delise, Guye Plogue. Download it on all the streams, all the platforms. Definitely building. Already getting like 20,000 on TikTok.
20,000.
Yeah,
20.
so
Oh,
we got work to do.
There's a lot of guyas going on.
Definitely. Trying to set the new tone with the
A
new
lot of
Marvin
babies
Gaye. You know
coming.
what I mean? A lot of babies coming. But we have a big event that we're gonna be performing in the biggest block party of Rhode Island, over 700 people, and we're the headliner for that event. So that's coming in July 25th, Providence, Rhode Island.
I
Definitely
live.
look
I
out.
work in Providence.
He lives there.
And this is the first time
So
I'm
you'll be
hearing it.
there. That's the thing. Yeah. Hey, we've been promoting hard, so you know. But yeah, there you go. It's
Alright.
Team Blast. That's
So hold on. You said block party. It's actually on the street, right?
It's it's
on the street.
behind a venue called Noir,
Okay.
and it's literally from there and the whole strip.
Hold
Okay.
on. Do the path we take cast. We don't get to pay. It's free to get in, yeah?
It's actually tickets, and we already have they already have over like 400 tickets sold.
Damn.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, save us 2 tickets.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
2
got
free tickets.
You asking the wrong
I got
person.
you. I got you.
If you ask Jay the least, you might get it. You asking Mitch.
Hold on, Jay Lee's report here.
Mitch,
so,
Mitch is the guy.
and I mean that
Mitch is the guy.
respectfully.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Mitch is
He
the
says
guy.
respectfully.
So yeah, we'll figure out the tickets.
Sensational.
Absolutely. Okay.
All right.
Definitely.
So how's the song? Because I heard the song, but how's it doing on Spotify? Like how are things going? And
It's doing good. It's doing good, and
Okay.
it's getting a lot of growth. We're
Yeah.
about to kick off the campaign literally in like 2 weeks.
okay.
So we got a campaign going on, and that's going to be taking off, and it'll be, before you know it, it'll be hitting all the blogs and the platforms that we know, along with this one.
Absolutely, man. It's a lovely song.
Yeah, it's a lovely song.
I got to hear the song in the studio before it came out, so I'm one of the lucky guys out there.
Definitely. The listening session was great. Shout out to Schneidine and
Schneidine.
And you might hear the song in the podcast.
Definitely, you know. And actually tomorrow we're doing a brief listening. It's a single release event. We're doing that at Tower at 487 Glenbrook Road, Stamford, Connecticut. Starts at 3 p.m. But you know, Haitian time, so 5:30.
Yeah, be there by 5.
So
Because we said this was 4:30.
make you understand, right? I mean, you know how it is, but listen, I love
know who's
We
gonna-
said 4:30. We said 4:30. We got one person that made it here one time. We have,
you know how
and
it
I
goes.
think they made it by 5, so that's not bad.
Oh yeah, no, that's not
Well,
too bad, you know.
Yeah. But we got people that come in here at 7.
But we originally knew we was
We're
gonna.
not gonna call out names or nothing. They got lost.
We
It's
already
okay.
knew we was gonna kick it off like around like 5, so we said, all right, 3:00.
Okay.
So you know, but
All right,
yeah.
well, appreciate that.
Right on.
Right on, Mitch.
Love, you
Mitch, J. Delise,
know. That's it. Couple of entertainment.
Team Blast, Cutboy Entertainment.
Team Blast.
Check them out. And by the way, this guy promised me if he ever becomes a millionaire, I'm a millionaire.
That's a fact.
So let's support him, please. Support him.
I'm about to start. Shh.
Mon ki de l'école Haïti yo.
I know.
Martinet nan moun dan.
No. What? Zoklo. Is he eating? Man, you eating, and I'm not eating.
Listen, we got this from Jean's Cuisine.
Oh, it's.
Gade n'importe restaurant haïtien qui ba nou manger gratis.
Mettons petit gratin sous
Please
lui.
bring it on.
Yep. So that the food was good though. We are for real though. I can't thank Jean's Cuisine enough for this because they came through. Warrior, by the way, you came through. She texted me like 7:30 in the morning. I was on my way here to set up, by the way, and I received the text. I was like, "Yo, we got food, Irby."
Free food.
Yeah, but I wanted to tell her, "Yo, save the gratin," but yeah, I could tell I like gratin, huh?
So we know we'll take free food now.
We'll take free food.
But once we blow up, it's money.
Money. But
All right, guys.
But for real though. But you guys will be remembered for this right here. because this is what that's why we had to call it support, this segment, because the support and the love that we are getting from y'all right now, it is
Love
real.
it. Love it. Thank you
Love it.
guys. Thank you guys. We
Yeah.
absolutely love it. We need
Yeah.
it.
So, but season 2, we're pretty much going to be focusing on how we could definitely better our image when
Haiti.
it comes to Haiti
Right.
as a whole. And we are somewhere where we shouldn't be.
Right.
We are paying for pretty much making our own path, getting our own independence. How
Yep.
you hating on us because we don't want you to slave us anymore?
Yeah.
And you just because you got your ass kicked, your ass ate up. That didn't sound right, but never mind. Kicked and shit. No diddy. Now we still paying for it years later.
So part of what I want to do, I think I've mentioned this. Part of what I want to do is I really think that we have a lot of problems in Haiti, right? There's no question. But I really think as a Caribbean country that tourism alone can help us get the money that we need, get the funding that we need
Yep.
to build the country, right? So Haiti should be one of the places that you think about when you think about traveling, when you think about going out and have a good time anywhere in the world. Haiti should be your number one destination. That is my plan. That is my goal. So I travel, I travel a lot. I travel around the world, and basically that is my mission, is to try to get people to see Haiti in a different light, to bring more people, the international people, back to Haiti, and put some positive towards Haiti, because as you know, right now it's a lot of negative. So
Yeah. So like coming to America, you think of fun, you think Haiti. You think of travel, you think Haiti. You think food, think of Jeffrey. Think of the gratin. Okay? But anyway, but yeah. So it's we really want to go to Haiti, film a couple seasons, not just episodes, season. Whether it's Jacmel or Cop, I know there's some from Ocap here.
yeah, we do. Get from Mocap?
Yep.
From Mocap là.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Speaking of, we got one more person we bringing up.
Yeah.
We gonna bring.
We had her on before.
We did.
Yeah, on the show.
Yes, we
All
did.
right. So she's a regular.
I have to put it out there. When you first start, you doing this all by yourself.
Right.
Little mistakes that you make. So when I yes, I'm gonna tell the truth. When I recorded my episode with her, we did it like twice. She's laughing at me because we did it twice. I'm telling the story, dude. So we did it twice. The first time, when something happened, it didn't record.
I said check the camera.
Check the camera. She did say that, and I checked the camera. Me being a man, I got it. I didn't want to tell her at that time, but I knew what was going on. But I was like, yo, let's do it again. Trying to cover up. But we did it again, and we went over time. The camera shut off, and it didn't save. And the same thing happened at sound. But then the first time, I had started the sound in the middle of what we were doing, and we recorded the footage, but no sound.
Wow.
But I have a way of trying to match. I'm going to do my magic. I'm going to recover it. So I do my magic. But yeah, so we're going to bring her up. It's Miss Schneidin, go a.k.a. Schnei.
Schnei.
Come on, Schnei.
Welcome. Thank you for coming on, Schnei.
Thank you so much for having me.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We had fun last time.
We did.
Yeah. But I want to say I'm very proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Because
And she said that the last time. They just didn't record.
Yeah. We go way back. We actually went to high school together.
Yep.
True story.
We went to junior prom together.
Yeah, we
Sorry,
did.
Mr. Cherry.
No, it was a group thing.
It was a group thing. I mean, look at me trying to make it sound all.
But when you came to me and shared with me your idea,
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to back you. A lot of people are just saying stuff and they don't really back it up. Okay. And I'm a person of action. If you reach out to me and you share your idea, I'm in full support. And when I say something, I mean it and I really show up. So I
Yeah.
wanted to say to you that I'm very proud of you
Thank
for
you.
how you facilitated your
Aw.
gathering. You got all the equipment, which is very expensive because production
Absolutely.
costs.
Hmm.
Secondly, he had to get a location and pay
Yes.
for that Hilton hotel that people don't know about.
Yep.
All on you.
Yep.
Yep.
And I just want to say that you work professionally, and this is why I'm here to continue to support you with the path that we're taking together.
Aw.
Absolutely. Thank
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, that's nice.
Absolutely.
Yeah, y'all hear the clap clap? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So we know you have a lot of businesses,
Hmm.
you know, and a lot of hats. So go ahead. Let's start listing your business. I'm gonna put some fingers up.
Okay, well, before I start with the business portion,
Mm-hmm.
I want to say the background of how I became a business owner.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is the part that's very important. This is why people don't understand my hustle
Mm-hmm.
and why I have the work ethic that I do have.
Yep.
So going back, I am the eldest of 3. So it's me and 2 other brothers. So I am a natural born leader. Can we say leader?
Leader.
And when you're a leader, you really want to make things happen. And when you see yourself as not successful, you're like, what can I do to make things different? So as I was growing up, of course, our parents always encouraged us to go to school. Thankfully, I finished and all that. I landed one of my biggest jobs ever in corporate America. Can we say corporate America?
Corporate America.
It's great to be there,
Yeah.
but sometimes it isn't,
Mm-mm.
especially when you look like me.
Hmm.
I was working with high level executives and they expected me to get their coffee. And they're like, why is this Black girl in our corporate meetings? And then I got pregnant with my second baby and I was on maternity leave. I came back and there was a new director. And this guy said to me to my face that he didn't like me. And it was his mission to get me fired right after maternity
Boy.
leave.
Hmm.
So when I tell you, I came back to my job now with 2 babies, this man, his goal was accomplished. I got fired on a Tuesday,
Not on a Monday?
not even on a Friday.
Not even a Friday?
I got fired on a Tuesday.
Wow.
And I said, oh my goodness, what am I going to do with my life now? Because now I have 2 kids. I have no backup plan. I was already doing entrepreneurship, but I had a 9 to 5. With my 9 to 5, this here was my bread and butter because I was also executive producing the youth empowerment show with my brother.
Yep.
We're financing everything for the influencers and celebrities coming on. And I said to Carl, now I don't have my bread and butter job. How are we going to pay for production? How are we going to pay for everything? And I'm looking at my husband like, babe, guess what? I lost my job. He was just like, how do you lose your job? You just got back from it. Let me tell you something. Corporate America, they do not like when women take maternity leave, no matter what they tell you. So with that said, I was in HR office on that Tuesday. I looked at this man and I said, wow, you racist.
You can say
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Blank, 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 blank.
And then
This is the unfiltered
family
show.
I said, this is going to be the very last time
Mm-hmm.
that anybody takes food off of my table and out of my household.
Mm.
And I meant that shit. So guess what? This man, he put 2 AA batteries in my back. I went home, I created a plan. I collected unemployment for 2 years. I collected my pension first and then I got the unemployment. And guess what? That was like 2019. And then in the beginning of 2020, my unemployment got extended. So I collected not only my pension, but also 2 years worth of unemployment. So they paid me.
Give me my money.
And then on top of that, I created my first business,
Mhm.
which was Millennial Money Magnet LLC,
Yep.
which was the financial coaching business that I have, which opened so much doors and pathways for me to become a vendor in the New York City's Board of Education. Becoming a member with the BOE in New York is so hard. And I'm so proud of that because that opened up so much ways for me, not only to teach financial literacy in the school districts in New York,
Mhm.
but it also opened up other pathways for youth empowerment show for us to get paid.
Mhm.
Also for us to have youth to inspire and motivate. And also with that, that started doing well, I obtained sponsors.
There you go.
We were going to industry events.
Yeah.
And when we're with the empowerment show and all that, and when you are in the same room with decision makers, guess what happens? Now you can rub elbows with the right people. And
Just
guess
put on
what?
some lotion first, you know.
You know what I'm saying? So with that, I end up going to an industry event, and it was with iHeartRadio.
Okay.
And then one of the persons I went to support, she said, Schneidine, why don't you come with me? We're already in VIP. I want you to meet the president of promotions for iHeartRadio. And I'm sharing that with you to let you guys know when people invite you to stuff, you go
go.
and support them.
You go.
Absolutely.
It's very important because you never know who you're going to meet.
Yep.
So with that meeting with iHeart president of promotions landed me to have so many sponsors with iHeartRadio, which landed me to have other sponsors with Nestle, Pure Life Waters for our shows,
Yeah.
and Walmart, etc., 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 which made me in a position to do many back to school events for the community, and also made me open the second business that I have now, which is called Blessed Hands Decor and Catering, where I can inspire and decorate people's events and also do catering.
Oh
and
my
also
God.
have
Bah.
wonderful food.
Yes, I've
Give
seen.
it up for Schneid.
Yeah, I've
Oh
seen-
my.
Thank you.
Yo, I've seen
you.
these events, including somebody's Christmas party that Schneidine put the
Well, that was just me facilitating a small portion,
Yes.
portion. It was just
Dessert.
a table, dessert. It was
Dessert.
something last minute that I just wanted to, participate
Yeah.
and contribute
Yeah.
to our family friends
Yes.
gathering.
And you did not know that was my cousin.
I didn't know.
But that's my cousin.
Yes.
So it's beautiful to see
Thank you.
certain things coming out of our community.
Yeah.
A lot of us don't. Well, some of us still live in Stanford, but majority of us don't live in Stanford anymore.
So from that story, I'm sorry. The only thing I got is you got fired on your day off.
This guy. This guy.
Oh man, I got fired on a Tuesday. They were so sick of me. They didn't even want to wait till Friday. They're just like, no, let's get her in
There's-
HR right now.
That's Smokey.
Yeah,
Smokey
I
got
know,
fired on the
right?
Now you got you.
Exactly.
What you filling boxes for? You filling clubhouse?
But that's great, man. We love to see, Haitian entrepreneurs doing
Yeah.
great things.
Thank you.
Shania, we are proud of you. You're doing great.
Yes.
Appreciate it so much.
And
Thank you.
you have your guy here who mentioned you 4 times, maybe
Yeah.
5 times.
Yep.
Well, let me say this. I am very fortunate because if I didn't have my husband's backing with so many things, I couldn't do half of the things that I'm doing, because when I'm out running around, he's still in his day job,
Right.
maintaining that. I don't have a day job. This is my business.
Yeah.
So
Go.
my business is what I have to protect.
Mhm.
And I also have to make sure that people meet my standards. And sometimes you have to set strong boundaries
Yeah.
and let people know, hey, these are my standards and you have to respect it. And that's it.
Right on.
Right on. Thank
so
you
Cherry
so
is
much.
not just a
Yeah.
name. He's about it.
Yeah, he's about it. He holds me down. I have to say that.
Hold
If we
me
have a
down.
man that holds us down, ladies, we have to say thank you to them, because
Yeah.
it's hard to
Yes.
find a good man out here in
Yeah.
the streets.
Ah.
It's hard in the street. You can't get
It's
no
hard.
glad in the streets.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you so much, Nadine.
Thank you, Shania.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
Hold on, Shania. Tell us, how do we find you? How do we
Yes.
find you? How do
Oh, sure. You guys go. Oh, I have to say this. I do have a lot of teachings on how to obtain sponsorships
Okay.
from corporate on my YouTube channel.
She's trying to tell me something.
Yes, and I'll share them with you.
Yes.
A lot of them are actually on the YouTube channel, which
Okay.
is Schneidine the Magnet. I have you guys can follow me on Blessed Hands Decor and Catering, where I have most of my information and footage. I love to do the behind the scenes so people can see the work that I do before presenting the decors that I present, and my regular main page, which is Schneidine Michelle.
All right.
Mhm.
Here we
Thank you
go.
so
Look it
much.
up now, guys.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
This was good. So. All right. So.
Oh, Schneid, by the way. Schneid, my brother here. That's Nathan, my brother. He's a financial advisor. I forgot to mention that.
Yeah. He's doing a plug-in.
I have to plug it in.
Let's finish.
All right, yeah. We want to close out.
We're gonna close out while they're talking in here.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is it. No more, huh?
That's it.
Jeff, my brother.
All right, so
Listen.
while they're talking, we gotta close this out.
Listen.
We're gonna close out. So, all right, guys. So,
Listen. By the way, I want to say this, man.
Don't want to get calls from anybody in this man.
Okay.
Pause. We gotta finish
All right.
this.
We don't like risk
Pause.
management. Okay, we get it.
We get it.
Listen, guys. All jokes aside, my guy Jeffrey here does a lot for this show here. Okay, he does. I don't know, 80% of the work. I barely do 20. Okay, so you guys give it up for Jeffrey. I did pick up the food. That was on me. So you guys give it up for Jeffrey, man. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy to be part of this. He reached out to me, wanted to have me on, and I've always wanted to be part of a podcast. And so this was a dream come true for me.
Yeah.
And I think we make a great team, wouldn't you say? So, again, thank you, Jeffrey, for having me. Look, he got me a cup, y'all. He got me a cup with my name on it. Okay.
Yeah, I think I spelled it right?
So it's all love here, man. I am so happy to have you guys here to support us. You guys are here from the beginning.
Yep.
And when we do make millions,
Which we
will give you guys maybe about $5. So I think that's good enough. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, for real. Thank you. So, Herb, so we're gonna close this out.
Yeah, close it out.
So we pretty much closing out the season with the bonus, because we had closed it out at the not at the restaurant, but another episode we had closed it out, but we wanted to close it out the right way.
Right.
So that means since I do the editing, I know.
Yeah, he does 80% of the work, guys.
So yeah. But
I have my other channel. I have my other stuff that I do that I focus on. And hold on. Everybody bring out your phones. Bring out your phones right now. Bring out your phones. Please look up I know some of you have already subscribed. The Path We Take podcast. Look it up right now. Please subscribe. Once you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Okay. All right. Perfect. And I have my regular channel, which is like I told you before, it's a travel channel. I have two channels, actually. It's one in Haitian Creole and one in English, but the mission is the same. The mission is to increase tourism in Haiti. And I do that by traveling the world, by telling people about Haiti, by telling people that what they see in the media, right, some of it is true, but most of it is lies, okay? It's not the whole country.
Correct.
Okay, so we need to increase tourism in Haiti,
Yes.
and that is my mission with my channel. So if that resonate with you, please follow me on this journey.
Yep. And as you following us, make sure you tell a friend to tell another friend. So go on the Path We Take podcast.com, where you can see some of the sponsorship packages we have on there. And if you feel like, generous or donating something, we take donations too.
Yeah.
We take good. You could give
Do
us
some overtime this week and send us some money.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, but thank you so much, guys, and thank you so much for coming. And we are out.
Time is moving on. The clock will never stop. For the time we were born till we turn into dust, we don't have much time in this short life. Why are we here? That's the question we all need to find. Oh,